In this video, I would like to talk about websites and blogs that will help you in your investment journey as a beginning investor. And so here are some popular websites and blogs that are designed and tailored to make you a better investor, to groom you and to give you the knowledge you need to be able to excel in the investment field. Number one here is educational website. You need to have a knowledge of educational websites. One of them is Investopedia. The website here is investopedia.com. It offers a wealth of resources, including articles, tutorials, and a comprehensive financial dictionary that will help you to fully understand financial terms. It's an excellent starting point for beginners to learn about the stock market terms as well as investment strategies you will need to adopt as an investor. It equally teaches you about the basis of investment analysis. Number two is the Motley Fool. The site is fool.com. It provides a mix of educational content, stock picks, and analysis. Their beginner-focused articles are great for those just starting out in the stock market investing. So they have articles that are designed for beginning investors. These articles are there to provide you the knowledge you need to be able to cope in the investment world. Number three is Morningstar. The website is morningstar.com, known for its in-depth analysis of stocks, mutual funds, and exchange-traded funds. So Morningstar offers a variety of educational resources for beginners, including investment strategy articles as well as tutorials. Not only that, number three, you have Yahoo Finance. The site here is finance.yahoo.com. It offers a comprehensive platform, that covers real-time stock quotes, financial news, as well as analysis. It also has educational articles and resources for new investors. This is followed by number five, Kiplinger. The site is kiplinger.com. It focuses on personal finance and investing, offering beginner-friendly advice on stocks investing, as well as retirement planning and financial management. The next category is blogs for beginners. Blogs for beginners. Under this particular category, you have on number six, A Wealth of Common Sense. The site here is a wealthofcommonsense.com, written by Ben Carlson. This blog amplifies or simplifies complex financial topics, making it a great resource for beginners looking to understand the stock market as well as investment principles. Followed by number seven, The College Investor. The site is thecollegeinvestor.com. This site targets millennial and young adults, offering advice on student loans, personal finance, as well as getting started with investing, including stocks and the stock market in general. Number eight is the Money Mustache. The Money Mustache. The site here is mrmoneymustache.com. It focuses on financial independence and early retirement with practical tips and interesting and practical tips on investing, as well as on savings, on personal finance, on how to budget and to live frugally. The blog is beginner friendly and offers a unique perspective on stocks and stock market investing. followed by number 9, Financial Samurai. Financial Samurai. The website is financialsamurai.com. It offers insight on personal finance, investing, wealth building, with a focus on helping beginning investors to become better informed in the market, so as to be able to make better investment decision. Number 10 is the Simple Dollar. The site is thesimpledollar.com. It provides straightforward advice on budgeting, saving, and investing. The beginner guides are a good starting point for those new to stock market investing. The third category after educational sites as well as blogs for beginners, and the third category here is interactive learning platforms. And this comprises number 11, Wall Street Survivor. The name of the site here is wallstreetsurvivor.com. It offers educational content alongside a stock market simulator to help you to simulate the behavior of the markets, so as to be able to determine a given outcome. It allows beginners to practice trading without risking real money. It offers a kind of demo account to practice trading without having your hands burnt as a result. Number 12 is Zacks Investment Research, and the site is zacks.com. It provides stock analysis, research, and recommendation, along with educational articles that are accessible to beginners. Number 13 is Robinhood Learn. The site is learn.robinhood.com. It offers concise, beginner-friendly articles and videos on stock markets, investing, covering everything from the basic to the more advanced investment topics. Number 14 is the Boglehead. The site here is boglehead.org. It's a community-driven site inspired by John Bogle, the founder of Vanguard, the late John Bogle. It offers forums, it offers guidance and a wiki, on low cost long-term investing strategies, which are great for beginners. Then followed by number 15, Seeking Alpha. The name of the site here is seekingalpha.com. It features articles, analysis, and opinions from a wide range of contributors, including content tailored for beginners looking to understand the stock markets and equally have an idea of market trends. The next category is news and analysis. That's the fourth category, news and analysis. The number 16 under this category here is Market Watch. The website here is marketwatch.com. It provides financial news, market data, and analysis. The site also offers educational content for those who are new to investing. Number 17, NetWallet. And the site is netwallet.com. It focuses on personal finance with sections dedicated to beginner investing, including how to start buying stocks and understanding the working principle of the stock markets. The next one, number 18, is Stock Charts, and the site is stockcharts.com. It offers educational resources on charting and technical analysis, which can be useful for beginners wanting to understand the stock market, as well as wanting to equally understand the basis of day trading in stocks. Number 19 is valuework.com. It covers value investing, financial news, and stock analysis with articles that are accessible to beginners. The articles are accessible to beginners in the investment field, and it will go a long way in grooming, beginner investors in this particular field. Number 20, The Balance. And the site here is thebalance.com. It offers practical advice on personal finance and investing with a wealth of beginner-friendly articles on stock market investing. So these websites and blogs provides valuable insights, tools and resources to help beginners navigate the world of stock investing with confidence.